The LEGO Star Wars Resistance Major Vonreg's TIE Fighter 75-240 building kit offers an engaging way to introduce kids to the Star Wars Resistance TV series. This model stands out with its striking black and red color scheme and includes an opening cockpit that fits the Major Vonreg minifigure. Equipped with 2 spring-loaded shooters, the TIE Fighter adds an exciting element of interactive play as the shooters can be fired by moving the trigger. The set comes with 3 iconic LEGO Star Wars minifigures, Major Vonreg, Kaz Xiono, and General Leia, along with the R1J5 droid figure, known as Bucket. Measuring over 16 centimeters high, 23 centimeters long, and 18 centimeters wide, this TIE Fighter model is an impressive addition to any collection. With 496 pieces, this set is perfect for both young fans aged 8 and older, as well as seasoned LEGO enthusiasts, offering endless creative building and play possibilities.